Here you see me getting loaded up, picking up a load that's coming from Pasadena back out to Houston. It was like a mini fridge, so it was pretty light. I want to say about 400 pounds. Loading up with the forklift. Then I'm gonna place my pallet jack under. And with some loads like this, your pallet jack is not always gonna go under the crate properly, so you kind of gotta balance it onto the crate. Okay, so now you see me turning the crate so I can bring it to the wall and ratchet strap it. Now I'm pulling my pallet jack from under the crate, and I'm gonna chalk my pallet jack so I don't forget. Now this is me ratchet strapping the load to the wall.